Can we finally stop carbon buildup on the direct injection engine? Well, check it out. It looks like mustard coming out of this oil catch can. That was after using Mobil 1. Now, we used royal purple for the exact same amount of miles, and you will not believe the difference. Just wait until we empty this oil catch can. I was shocked. Guys, I don't support or promote any of these products. And if you'd like to see your video idea come to life in one of the future videos, make sure you check out my About page where my Patreon is. Or you can also check out the description below and I'll include the link for Patreon. Guys, all your help is greatly appreciated for these tests. Whoa, I can already see a big difference. Look how much darker the oil is, just like it's supposed to be. Well, guys, I'm no scientist, but this definitely looks better to me. What do you think? Make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Was Mobil 1 or Royal Purple better? And I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. This way you can make a better judgment. Once again, thank you all for your support on Patreon. It wouldn't be possible without you. And as always, thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto, and get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.